Hi, it's Rob from Game Developer Studio and welcome to this basic introduction for the new GUI Studio module for GDS Editor 1.6. The GUI Studio module will allow you to design and create your game user interface from scratch or by editing pre-made GUI packs. As the Studio is directly integrated into the editor, you'll get all the useful features of GDS Editor, such as the drag and drop environment, color balancing, slicing, and direct imports to help you create a user face with the perfect fit for your game. As well as this, you'll also have unlimited access to hundreds of commonly used UI icons and widgets, which you can import directly into your project on the fly via the GDS Editor Integrated Supporter Library. GUI Studio will let you dynamically reshape your UI panels simply by resizing a panel using the drag and drop transformer. So as you can see, when you stretch a ping panel, you usually get ugly deformation around the edges and the corners. But GUI Studio is going to redraw the entire panel based on your parameters, making a clean made-to-fit example every time. On every panel, you can use the GUI Studio to target and sculpt edges and corners and reshape it to get that perfect fit. You won't need any drawing skills, as all aspects of the panel design are parameterized into simple fields. All you have to do is select the amount of change or select type. You'll also be able to configure and edit the textures and overlays with unlimited access to the GDS Texture Background Library, which is a growing library of directly importable textures. Again, no drawings necessary, as texture library imports under the hood are essentially GDS art objects, which, if you've used GDS Editor before, means that you can tweak any parameter of the texture, such as the color, opacity. If it has strokes, you can change those. You can change the size of the texture and the orientation. All properties of textures are parameterized into simple numerical fields in a similar fashion to game engine inspectors that you're used to working with. You can easily apply classic UI effects with a simple click of a button. You can make your panels shine with drop shadows, vignettes and glows, highlights. You can also add and manage multiple effects per panel to easily make professional looking GUI for your game. You can use the volumetric brush effect to give depth to your panels, allowing you to create UI with perspective depending on its position on the screen. Once you've made one panel, you can easily clone and fork it to make multiple instances of the panel depending on what your UI needs. Each panel can have multiple strokes, making it easy for you to manage strokes on panels. You can have gradients and fills, and all panels can be exported in high resolution uncompressed PNG, ready for integration into your project. GUI Studio opens directly with GDS Editor. To use it, log in with your GDS Plus account when you launch the editor, and it should be available for you. You can launch the editor directly from the website, and 1.6 is now live. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.